Justin here with a quick update on installing our attic stairs. You may remember we have a small attic running the length of the house. It's only 4 feet tall, but it's a small house, so I'm sure it'll be well-used storage. We got this, it's called Rainbow Attic Stairs. We ordered it from anyladder.com. It took a while. I guess it was somewhere over an ocean for a few months. But anyway, it arrived in good condition and it was easy to install. So you can see over here we have our trusty drywall lift. It was a little dicey, not really. I guess it was scary more than anything, since the drywall lift is not really meant to lift the whole stairs assembly. It's meant to lift sheets of drywall, but it worked really well. We just cranked it up into position and then anchored it with no trouble. Okay, so I will now demonstrate how it works. Basically, we have this rod that we'll keep somewhere, and you just reach up, you hook this little eyelet, and down like that. Then you use it and grab this part. It's all on springs, so it doesn't move too fast. So that comes down like this. And then you have a nice, easy to use stairs compared to going and getting a ladder every time. You can just latch this so it doesn't pop back up on you. And it should be real easy if we're carrying stuff for storage. Okay, so now I will show you real quick how it got installed. Okay, so here's the stairs. As you can see, it's not super wide, but it's got a little integrated handrail. Give you a close-up on the label here. That's the G10 series. They have different sizes depending on the height of the ceiling. Sharon found this one because we got our 10-foot ceilings. There's not a lot of options, but this one's pretty cool. So that they ship it pretty much totally assembled. You can see for installation, all we really needed to do was these little brackets. There are 6 of them. We shimmed this up just a little bit underneath it since it's a floor on this part. But basically with the drywall lift, we just cranked it up here, came up and then set these little pieces of hardware with the bolts. There's that one. There's a close-up you can see in the middle. Down here we just had to add a little bit of blocking on top of the truss to make up for the height, since we have 2x4 bottom cords, so it just had to be a little bit taller. So anyway, yep, that was it. It was done, and now we have stairs up to our attic. So you can see up here, probably haven't seen up here for a while because the last time was when we set the trusses, but this is where we'll be able to store lots of things, which I guess we've already started doing. Okay, that's it for this one. We'll see you next time.